Jai Gurudev children. Happy morning. I welcome you all for the math session. Okay. Yes, everyone. Yes. So today we are going to look solid shapes. Yes. Ma'am have already introduced what is solid shapes. Yes or no? Yes. You have all learned two-dimensional shapes. Yes. Have you all learned two-dimensional shapes? Okay. Now I am going to raise the question. You are all going to give the answers in your chat box. Okay. I just recap of. Okay. Is everyone ready with the chat box? I have four sides. I have four sides. My opposite sides are equal. I have four sides. My opposite sides are equal. And I have four corners. Who am I? Who am I? Let's give your answer in the chat box. Everyone. I have four sides and four corners. My opposite sides are equal. Very good. Very good. Only in the chat box. I don't want anyone in to unmute. I'm looking. Yes. Very good. So many answers in the chat box. Vidya ma'am, did my voice is audible? Kana, kindly check your device, ma. Okay. Okay. Now the next question. Okay. I have no corners, no sides. I don't have corners or sides. Who am I? Yes, everyone type in the chat box. I want everyone answers. Don't not answers. Please write in your notebook. Yes, I don't have corners or sides. Circle. Circle. Okay. Yes, very good children. Very good. I am getting so many answers. Very good. Okay. Now I have three sides and three corners. I have three sides and three corners. Wow, super. Very good. Very good. Very good, children. Yes, very good. Triangle. Okay. Triangle. 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 Okay. Yes. Next. Next, I have four sides and four corners. All my sides are equal. I have four sides and four corners. All my sides are equal. Who am I? Who am I? Yes, I'm getting answer. Yes, very good, children. Very good. Yes, that's square. Now, okay, I hope you all know. Yes. So in a square, there is four sides and four corners, and all the sides are in equal. Okay. And in rectangle, four sides and four corners, only opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. Opposite sides are equal in length. And in triangle, three sides and three corners. Okay. And in circle, no sides, no corners. Yes. Okay. Now we are going to learn today 3D shapes, solid shapes. Okay. What is solid shape or 3D shape? Okay. Solid shapes is otherwise called as 3D shapes. That is solid and it can occupy space in it. It has space in it. Okay. While you see the earlier, see, these are called as 2D shapes. It has flat surface. Yes, it is very flat, right? If you cut in the paper, you can clap. Yes. If you have 3D shape in your hand, can you clap? Yes. Will you get the sound? No. Yes. You cannot clap. Why? It occupies space which will avoid to clap. You cannot clap. Yes. likewise. Okay, so some of the 3D shapes in this year you are going to learn a cuboid. Repeat, everyone open your mouth and repeat, children. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Repeat once again. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. Okay, and then the next one is cube. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Repeat, children. C-U-B-E. Cube. And the next one is cylinder. Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Sphere. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. Then the last one is cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. N-E. So now you please compare the 2D and 3D shapes. Why? What is, ma'am, 2D? What is 3D, ma'am? Dimensions. What is called as dimension? Okay. In this image, see, if it is a square, how many dimensions are there? Up and down dimension, side to side dimension. Yes, up and down and side to side. Only 2 dimensions are there in 2D shapes. Whereas in 3D shapes, there are 3 dimensions in it. Okay, what are they? Up and down, side to side. That is left to right and front and back. Front and back. 3 dimensions, up and down, side to side, front and back. Okay, these are called 3D shapes, 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, so now Vidya ma'am going to explain 3D shapes in detail. Okay, now over to Vidya ma'am.
Yes, Rukmini ma'am, thank you. Jai, good day, children. Ma'am taught you the 2D shapes and 3D shapes, right? What is 2D shape and what is 3D shape, right? 1 minute, I will show you the 3D shapes here. This is cuboid, right? This is cuboid. Yes. You see, I'm showing the cuboid closer to you. I'm showing the cuboid closer to you. Yes. What shape you are seeing here now? What shape you are getting now? What shape you are seeing now here? The rectangle, right? You see one side, you will get a rectangle, right? This side. Where the side is very bigger. Is my voice is very low, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Vidya, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So now this is a cuboid. Okay. Thus, if you see one side of this side, you will get a rectangle, right? This is cuboid shape. Okay. If you see the another side, you will get a square. Okay. That is the cuboid. It has how many sides? 1, 2, this 3, and down 4, here 5, and here 6. 6 sides will be there in a cuboid, right? Next, I will show you the next 3D shape. I will explain you in detail. Okay, this, what shape is this? This is cube. Okay, if you see the cube, it will be having all sides. Whichever side you turn, you will get a perfect square. Okay, 6 sides will be there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No screen. 1 minute.
Children, kindly pin my name. I'm sharing the video. Kindly pin my name.
Yes, ma'am is showing you. In Rubini ma'am's ID, the video will be coming. Yes, this is cube, right? You see the cube at one side. See, I'm showing you. What shape you're getting? Brinda, you can mute your video, Kanna. I will give you time to show the objects what you're having. Okay? Please wait until then. Now, look at this video and learn the shapes. Yes? Thank you, dear. See, I'm showing the cube now. What shape you're getting? You're getting a square, right? If you just see one side of this cube, you're getting the shape square, right? See, now we will see the sides, how many sides the cube is having, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 at the down, okay? So 6 sides are there in the cube. Same as your cuboid, right? This is also having 6 sides and this is also having 6 sides, okay? Now we will move on to the next shape. What shape is this? It's a cylinder, okay? The cylinder. Yes, very good. If I just see, look here, this shape is circle, right? And this shape is also circle, right? This is cylinder. But this, if you see the surface, it is plain. It is a flat surface. So cylinder is having. Yes, Kanna, cylinder shape. Very good. Screen is there. Kindly look, Rubini ma'am.
See children, everyone, if you are in mute, then only my video will be visible. Brinda, kindly mute your video. Everyone, if you are in mute, then only my video will be visible. I request everyone to be in mute. Okay? Thank you, children. Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Two flat surface.
Your voice is not audible.
Sorry, am I audible now?
Now okay, ma'am.
So the cylinder is having two flat surface. Yes, I am repeating. Cylinder is having two flat surface and one curved surface. Whereas the cube and cuboid all having only flat surface.
Janvika, mute your video, ma.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All sides will be flat in cube and cuboid. So if I just give some pressure, just like this, it will slide and go. It will slide and go. Okay? It will just slide and go. Okay?
Brinda, kindly mute yourself, ma.
The flat
Please,
surface.
kindly. 1 second, ma'am. Brinda, kindly mute your video, Kanna. See, if you unmute your video again and again, it will disturb our class. I request everyone to be on mute, please. Okay? Let's see how many of them are so good. Okay? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. See, if the flat surface is kept, it will just slide and go. If The flat surface will make the object to slide. Okay, to slide easily. Yes, it will make the object to slide easily. Okay, so flat surface, if it is having, it will slide and go. See, look here, I'm placing the curved surface on this. It is just rolling, right? It is not sliding, it is just rolling. This movement is called rolling. If I place the flat surface and give some pressure, it will slide and go. It will slide and go. Okay? Yes? So the object will slide if it is having flat surface. Okay? If the object will roll if it is having curved surface. The cylinder is having both. So it is having both the movement. Okay. Whereas this cube and cuboid, it is having only flat surface. So it can only slide. It can only slide. It can't roll. Okay. If the shape is having edges and sides, it will slide. Look at this shape. What shape it is? This cone, right? See, here it is having flat surface. The cone is having one flat surface and one curved surface and one curved surface. So it can also, like cylinder, it can also slide. It can also roll. It can also roll. It can do both the movements. Okay. Yes. I will show you once again. If I give some pressure, the flat surface will slide and go. If you keep the curved surface without any pressure, it will just roll and go. Okay, since it is like this, it will roll in the circular manner. Okay. Yes. Next comes your shape is this. What shape it is? Yes, answer in the chat. What shape it is? Is my voice is very close? Ice cream cone. Yes, ice cream cone is an example for cone shape. Very good. What shape it is? What shape is this? Sphere. Very good. Sphere. Right? This is the sphere. See, what it will do? It will slide or it will roll. What movement it will do? Whether it will slide or it will roll. I told you, right? Yes, very good. It will roll because it is having only curved surface, right? It is having only curved surface. So it can't slide. It will just roll. Yes? Okay. Superb. Now we will see the other things, other properties of the cube and cuboid and other things. Okay. See, this is a cuboid, right? We know that the cuboid is having 6 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides are there, right? See, this is yes. See, this is one side and this is another side, right? The line where the sides meet, called edge. This is one edge. Okay, this is one edge, and this is another edge. Okay, so 1, 2, this is 1, 3, and this is 1, 4. So 4 edges are there at the top, right? Now at the side, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So 8 edges, top and side. Now look at the bottom. 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are there? 12 edges. How many edges are there? 12 edges. So a cuboid is having 6 sides and 12 edges. Okay? Can you see the red color here? Is this point? This point is the place where edges meet. If more than two or two edges meet, then that point we call it as corner. Okay. So this is one corner. This is one corner. 1, 2. Down 2 at the bottom. 3, 4. Okay. And this opposite side. 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners are there? 8 corners. Yes, corners and edges are same.
No.
One
No.
minute. Edges is different.
See, children,
Corner is
one
different.
minute, ma'am. See, children, where this is sides, ma'am explained it is sides, okay? Otherwise called as face. Otherwise called as face, okay? Where the faces meet, two faces meet, no, that is edge. That is edge, okay? Where the edges meet, no, that is corners, okay? Where the, see, it is three-dimensional, 3 edges meets at one point. Okay, corner or vertex. Okay, vertex. Corner, otherwise say it as vertex. Okay. See, this is edge where the two faces meet. That is edge where the 3 corners is three edges meet at one point. That is vertex or corner. Is it clear, children?
So remember, I will just give you one clue. Don't go and sit in the corner. Your ma'am will, if you go and sit in the corner of your room, right? Your parents will say, or someone will say you, right? Corner means the meeting point of the sides or the edges, meeting points of the edges. Okay? Yes. Now we will move on to another shape, that is cube. See, the cube is also having the same as the cuboid. Okay? We will look into that. We know that cube is having 6 sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 6, right? 6 sides. Now, edges. We will move on to the edges. Edges is the meeting point of sides, right? So this is the side. Sorry, this is meeting points of the side is called edge, right? So this is the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges at the top. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 edges at the rounding. Now back view. 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are there? 12 edges. Same as the cuboid. Okay. Cuboid is also having 6 sides and 12 edges. Cube is also having 6 sides and 12 edges. Okay. Now we will look at the corner. Corner is nothing but the meeting point of the edges. The meeting point of the edges. Remember, children, the meeting point of the sides is edge. The meeting point of the edge is corner or vertex. Okay. So how many corners are there? I marked in the red to indicate you. Please check your network. It is visible to all. This is one corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at one side and opposite side 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this cube is also having 8 corners, right? Same as the cuboid. Remember, children, both is having the same property when coming to the 3D shapes. Okay. But in 2D shape, only the thing is the edges size will be different. The number of edges will be the same. 8 edges. Both is having 8 edges.
The opposite edges will be same in cuboid. Whereas in cube, all the sides, all the edges are same in length. All the edges are same in length. Where in the cuboid, the opposite edges are same in length. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So both the cube and cuboid is having 8 edges. 6 sides, 12 edges, and 8 corners. Okay? Clear? Shall we move on to the next shape? Yes? Okay. As we saw earlier, this cone is having one flat side and one curved side. Okay? That's it. Totally two faces. One flat face and one curved face. Okay? That's its property. And the sphere, it is having only one curved surface. For other properties are 0 for this. Okay? Then comes your cylinder. Cylinder is having two flat faces and one curved faces. So totally 3 phases. It is having totally 3 phases. Okay? Now over to Rubini ma'am. Okay? Thank you.
Yes. So children, have you all enjoyed? Have you all enjoyed? Yes? Okay, now we are going to look the presentation. To look some more clarity. Okay? Yes. So now everyone stop your videos. Okay. Okay, we'll look into it. Later you can do it. Okay. So what shape it is, children? Look it in the picture. What shape it is? What shape it is? Cube shape. What shape it is? Cube shape. Okay, what shape it is? Cube shape. Okay. Now, see, ma'am has said sides. No, sides is otherwise called as phases. Okay, phase. Okay, side is otherwise called as phases. So, what is the spelling for phase? F-A-C-E. Since it is plural, phases. F-A-C-E-S. Phases. Okay. Now, how many phases are there? Shall we look? One, see, front, back, left, right, up and down. So, totally how many phases? 6 phases in it. 6 phases in it. Yes. Up, down, right, left, front, back. Totally 6 phases in it. Now we are going to look corners. Corners. What is the corner? Otherwise called as vertices. Okay. Vertices. C-O-R-N-E-R-S. Corners. Okay. Now look at in the picture. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many corners in this? 8 corners. See, it is marked in red. No, all those are corners. Corners. You can have your real-time example and check it out, children. Have it out how many phases and how many corners in it. Okay. Now we'll move on to the edges. Edges. What is edges? Meeting the faces point is edges. See. So how many edges? 12 edges. Look at here. Look at here. How many edges? All the green lines are edges. What is the spelling for the edges? E-D-G-E-S. Edges. E-D-G-E-S. Edges. So how many edges? 12 edges. 12 edges. Sorry. So it's a cube shape. It has 6 faces. 6 faces, 8 corners, 8 corners or vertices, okay, and 12 edges, 12 edges, okay. What is the property of cube? 6 faces or sides, 8 corners or vertices, and 12 edges. 12 edges. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Cube. C-U-B-E, cube shape. 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges in it. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next shape. Okay. Yes. What is the shape? What is this? Cuboid. Yes, cuboid. So, cuboid. Okay. In cuboid, how many faces or sides? Faces, otherwise called as sides. Okay. We can make use of this word itself. Faces. Okay. Now, how many faces in it? Very good. Very good. 6 faces in it. Shall we check? Left, right, up, down, front, and back. Okay, 6 faces. Now corners, how many corners in it? How many corners in it? Yes, 8 corners in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 corners. And edges, how many edges? 12 edges in it. 12 edges in it. Okay. Now what is the difference between the cube and cuboid? Both have 6. Both have 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. Okay. So, but see the edges length is there. No, the edges length in cube, all the edges length are same. All the edges length will be equal in size, equally. Okay. Whereas in cuboid, opposite sides, opposite edges are same in size. Okay. Opposite edges are same in size. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Just a recap. So 6 faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges in cuboid. 12 edges in cuboid. Is it clear, children? Now we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Yes. Yes. What shape it is? What's the next one? What shape it is? Yes, cylinder. Cylinder. Okay. Cylinder shape. Okay. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. In cylinder shape. Okay. It has 2 flat surface. Up and down. 2 flat surface. And the middle 1 curved surface. So it is otherwise called as faces. Okay. 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. That is 3 faces in total. And 3 faces. Okay. This is enough for you. No corners and edges. 2 curved edges. Okay. 2 curved edges up and down. Okay. Yes. 0 corners in it. We'll move on to the next one. So what shape it is, children? What shape it is? Cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Okay. C-O-N-E. Cone. So in cone, how many phases? How many phases? Can you type in the chat box how many phases in cone? Very good. Very good. Very good. See, somebody typed 1. Okay. It has 1 flat surface, 1 flat face, and 1 curved face. Okay, 1 flat face and 1 curved face. So totally 2 faces in it. 2, see, it is highlighting 1 flat surface. 1 second. From the first we'll go. Cone, it has, see, curved face. 1 curved face and 1 flat face. So totally 2 faces and 1 corner and 1 edge. Okay. Yes. Now we'll move to the sphere. Okay. Here comes sphere. Okay. Sphere. How many faces in it? Only 1 curved face. 1 curved face, 0 corners and 0 edges. Okay, one curved face, 0 corners and 0 edges. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Yes? Do you have any doubt in this? Now shall we look some real-time examples? So we'll recap once again. Okay, we'll recap once again. We have seen 5 3D shapes. What is 3D shapes? As I said, it has up and down, left to right, and front and back. 3 dimensions. It has 3 dimensions. That's why it is 3D shape. That's why it is and then edges is 2 faces meeting point is edge. 2 faces, 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners, and all edges are same in size. Whereas in cuboid, 6 faces, edges and 8 corners, opposite edges are same in size. Okay, then we'll move on to the cylinder. Cylinder has 2 flat face, up and down 2 flat and 1 curved face in between. So totally 3 faces and 2 curved edges. See that the top it is joining, no, that edge. Faces meeting point is edge. So 2 curved edges, up and down 2 curved edges totally. Okay. Then we'll move on to the cone. Okay, in cone again 1 flat face, 1 flat face and 1 curved face. So totally 2 faces and 1 curved edge and 1 curved edge, 1 corner. We'll go to the sphere. In sphere, only 1 curved face. There is no edges or corners in it. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Any doubt in this? You should know all the properties of the 3D shapes. And you should remember the spellings of the 3D shapes. Okay, next class I will ask you, each and every one. Okay, so everyone, is it clear? Okay, now we'll move on to the real-time objects which is available in 3D. Okay, 3D shapes. So what are they? Now everyone, unmute your video alone. Even I'm going to unmute my video. Okay. So now I'm going to start. I'm going to show. See what shape it is. Cube. So you have to show the real-time object for cube in shape. What is this? Rubik's cube, yes? Which we used to play, no? Sorry. Yes, I did only one side for you people. Okay. Yes, can you see Dharini? Only I could see your face. What about cube? I want cube shape objects. Everyone show your cube shape objects. Cube shaped objects.
Yes,
Take one.
Brenda, now you can take. Show your cube object, everyone.
No one has cube shape objects. Okay. Now.
Yes, Jay Krishna, I'm seeing your cube. Very good.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Jay Krishna's cube is visible. Nandika has. Okay, we are looking. 1 minute. Yes, Gopi Krishna, Nandika, you are showing your dice. Super. Yes, Gopi Krishna, show your cube also. Cube shape object also. Yes, once again, just show Kana. Yes, show near to the camera. Cuboid. Your Gopi Krishnan, you are showing cuboid. Cube is enough. Yes, okay.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am. We'll move on to the next
Next
shape. Okay, next shape. Cuboid. Cuboid. See, a real-time object is cuboid. Real-time object. You should show any real-time object.
Thank you.
Brinda,
Okay.
Brinda, show your object.
Yes.
All others, yes. Ojasvi,
Yes,
Meenakshi, very
Sadhana.
good.
Yes, Sadhana, very good.
Yes, Aryan, very good. Even I had that. Very good. Yes, Jaganvel. Very
Vithun,
good.
you are showing cube, Kana. Yes, Teja, you are showing building block in the cuboid side. Very good.
Yes, Samresh. Very good, Samresh.
Sailesh, yes. Smita, very good. Sailesh, very good. It should have some
Shanvi, yes,
cooperation,
very
okay?
good. Very good. Very good.
Yes, Nanika,
Yes, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Yes.
yes,
Spear
here,
shape.
Kanika. Kanitra, spear. Yes, very good, Kana. We are seeing yours. We may miss your name, but we are seeing everyone's, okay?
Brinda,
Yes, yes, Nandika, I am seeing yours. Very good. Pencil box, I think, right? Yes. Now show the spear shapes, Kana. Gopi Krishnan, yes, you are showing a ball. Yes, Sahana Sri, you are showing the ball. Hadesh Varshan, yes. Abhinav, show the spear, Abhinav. You are showing building block.
Yes. Now
Yes, super
move
Kana.
on to the cylinder
Yes,
shape.
yeah.
Show me your
Yes,
cylinder shape.
Tamil. Tamil. Very good. You are showing the
Move on to the cylinder shape, children.
yes.
Show your
Quick.
cylinder shape. Very good. Next shape. Move on to the next.
Cylinder. Yes, powder. Yes, Kamakshi. Yes, Kana, I'm seeing yours. Very good. Yes, Nandana. Yes.
Yes, very good, children. Everyone, very good. Yes, Samresh, Sanashri. Yes, very good. Now we'll move on to the next shape. Cone shape. Cone
Yes, your
shape.
water bottle. Very good. All are showing the water bottle.
Cone shape. Hey, wow, super. Sanashri, very good. Super, Bell. Cone shape. Very good. Yes, Samresh. This is what I want. You have to do. Yes. Yes. Kindly just.
Rajesh. Ojasvi.
Insert your corners.
Showing carrot.
Corner. That edges alone you paint some.
Ramya,
It's
very
superb.
good.
Real time
Rajneesh,
example. Very good.
Superb. Yes,
Yes.
good.
Superb, children.
Superb, Kana.
Everyone superb, children. Very good. It's
Yes.
time up. We can end up our session now. We'll meet you on the next session.
Yes, Bill.
Thank you, children.
Traffic cone. Yes, superb.